Alright, the last one was a long video, so we're going to go for a record short one. This one. Go to your viewcontroller.m. We're going to go down to our delegate where we update the status of the tire. And we do need a link to the outlet. So how do we contact that air console? Let's go back to our storyboard. Click on your assistant editor. Control drag from that air console. And we'll just call it air console. Connect. It's going to give an error because it doesn't know what an air console is. So we're going to do pound import air console. And then now we can go back to viewcontroller.m. Single view. And then we can say self.air console space report pressure. The pressure is pressure on tire, square bracket, done. So when we update the status, so when the tire calls this method, our parent is going to tell the air console run this method with the data that was sent from our tire. If we run it, alright, so check our steering, make sure it still works. We're going to go around the corner so fast that we lose pressure in this tire. Now it's above 18. It's still above 18, it's not less. There's less. And recognize it knows which tires are less. So that tire's less. If we increase our pressure so we air up our tire, it goes back to green. It works great. And that's it. And even with a low tire, we can still steer the car. So, alright. So I hope this was helpful. Basically, it shows the many ways of calling methods. So our parent will call the tires to tell it to rotate. And the tires will fix themselves. Each time they change pressure, though, they're sending information back to the parent, and that parent is sending information over to this air console.